At least 10 people die trying to cross every day or with collisions on this boulevard. That's a high number. And the problem is when they try to cross like from north to south, south north, that's where the problem comes. Because it takes a while to cross over. It's such a wide boulevard. The sign up there says it's party time, of course. There's one place the gas is cheaper. Only thing the station is not open. $3.49. $3.55. Credit and cash. The old saying, cash is king. If you have cash, you pay like 5 cents less a gallon. Now this is a nice crossing. It gives you a lot of time to cross. Not just 15 seconds cross. Prakash Hindu temple over there to my right hand side. Queens it's made up of lots of different nationalities, lots of different languages, religions, and so forth. fuck. Yeah, they do dialysis, kidney care. La Vita. Transmissions.
Únicamente como dice aquí, hay una satisfacción.
Some nuts. TD Bank. So the price of gas here, $3.49 unleaded on Speedway, gallon. $3.99 premium. That's all they're talking about now. The price of gas in the news. It's been up over $4. California, I think it's over $5. So this is Albion Avenue, Albion, Albion Avenue. No, we can go. Look at what that lady is wearing. My goodness. Look at see-through pants.